Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn how can we make this type of amazing presentation in just 5 minutes. Just see the magic. Is not it amazing? Let's learn. First of all, go to insert, go to new slide and just take an empty slide. After that, put your content as my content is related to Starbucks ice cream shakes. You can write your own content according to your choice. After setting the content, go to the insert, go to the shapes and take a circle and draw a circle like this. Make it some broader and set it on the corner of the slide. Go to the shape fill and change the color of the circle as I go with green. Then select your picture that you want to include. Just copy and paste your image and select your image like that. Set your image like that. After that, just right click on that and go with duplicate slide. Put your circle and go to the upward of the slide. Like that. Delete this picture and select your second picture. And my second picture is my second ice cream shake, which I set like that. Simply make your third slide, which I set like that, again a circle and set image like that. Once again, look, first image is like that, second is above the circle and like that. Again, set the circle on the lower edge and put your image like that. Then select your all of the three slides, one, control second and control third. Go to the transition and select the transition morph. Not only that, if you want more twist, then select your that picture, go to the animation and select the fly in for that. Now see the magic. Visit my channel for more interesting videos and stay tuned with my channel for interesting PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching.